Perl tutorial part 45. Download, parse and convert a web page into plain text and print it. This script uses 3 modules, so let's load our 3 modules. First of all is LWP simple, which we've seen before. Next we have the HTML tree builder. And next we have the HTML format text module. So those are our 3 modules. You may have to download this module, but you can, for example, in this software, do a syntax check and it will tell you whether it's got the module or not. Okay, so first of all, as in our last tutorial, we have to get a web page. So let's create a variable URL equals LWP simples get function, and we'll get web page script socket.com. Okay, so the next thing to do is to create a new HTML format text object. So let's create a variable format equals like so. Now there's a couple of attributes we can set the left and right margins. I'll come back to that shortly. Now the next thing to do is create a new HTML tree builder object. So let's create a variable tree builder equals HTML tree builder, new object. Now we're going to ask our tree builder to pass the URL. So okay, and now we are going to format our passed URL. So we're going to create a variable passed equals the variable format function format our tree builder. And now we can print out our past content. So simply print past. Now save the script And now let's run it. Okay, so by default we have a small margin on our left, and here we have the index page of scriptsocket.com, text only. No tags whatsoever. Images come out saying there was an image here in brackets. There's no tables. I now want to show you how we can specify a left and right margin and format our text. So simply in here we say left margin comma right margin like so. I think it defaults to 3 as a left margin, so let's make this a left margin of 0 and save this, and let's run this again. And then we have a left margin of 0. Now we can also write this past text to a file, so open file handle, file.txt, print our past content and close. Okay, so save the script. Here's our perl directory, and let's run. Okay, so let's open up our directory. We have our file, our text with 0 left margin, So that's how to download and format a web page into text.